Hey guys, it's Toxic Fox. Welcome back to my channel. I have a small business spotlight unboxing. This cute little parcel here. One of the girls I know that I used to work with, she actually got into silversmithing and she started making her own jewelry, and now she sells her jewelry. Her shop name is Moonlight Rogue Jewelry. It looks like this little logo. I will leave a link to her Etsy shop and her Facebook page in the description box down below. But she makes absolutely beautiful silver jewelry, and she uses a lot of crystals in them, and like they're just so amazing. I've been wanting a piece for a while. There's actually a custom set that I really want to do with her, but that's going to take quite a bit of money because supplies are expensive. However, she did make a little something not that long ago that has been sitting in my cart staring at me for quite some time, basically since she posted it, and I bought it. I bought it. So we live in the same area, so I went and picked it up from her house because shipping's atrocious in Canada. So this is the little parcel that she gave me. It's a little envelope. And it just pops open, and ooh, there's a little handwritten thank you card with there's a little pin. She gave me a little angry unicorn pin. Oh, I collect pins. I love pins. This is amazing. Completely unnecessary, but amazing. We got some other cards. Ooh, a sticker. So there's a little unicorn magic potion bottle sticker as well. Her business card, Moonlight Rogue Jewelry. And it's got information on the back. Don't pay attention to the website on the card. She's working out of her Etsy shop currently. But like, super cute, basic, simple, but adorable card. Can you stop that? And then we have a little jewelry care instructions with a little cleaning cloth. That's super adorable. Oh. And then the magic piece. So we got a little organza bag, and so this is a 3-piece set. And there's this little black square that is apparently an anti-tarnish tab that I'm supposed to put with my silver jewelry when I store it so that it doesn't tarnish. That's kind of nifty. I didn't know those existed. I wonder if my dad knows those exist. So it's a 3-piece ring set. Got this one little like beaded style band, a nice basic smooth beveled band, and the piece de resistance, the band is kind of hammered and it's a little bat, so they stack. Now this is an 8, so I'm not sure which finger. Oh yeah, we're gonna be moving this snack somewhere else, so it'll look like that. It's really cute. I wonder if I can get it to focus. But it's super cute. We have the bat, the bead band, and the smooth band. I'm in love with them. I'm in love with them. It's just so cute, and there's like even little details in the bat with this little wings. I'm so happy with it. I'm also so happy supporting small businesses and supporting somebody that I actually know, because amazing. You should support your friends in any way that you can. Even if you can't purchase things, you should share their shit. But yeah, I wanted to share that with you guys because like I'm really excited. I don't buy a lot of things that are like adulty, and I know it's jewelry, but I feel like it's adulty because it's not like costume jewelry. It's adorable handmade silver jewelry. Anyway, I just wanted to open that with you guys and show you. that amazing purchase. If you'd like to check out some of her other stuff, go click the links in the box down below. And I hope you find some amazing things that you fall in love with and feel the need to treat yourself to. I'm gonna go work on some other things and stare at my pretty finger, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.